Assalamu alaikum. Today on mhstayyab we will be unboxing Wasim Akram's signature smell from Junaid Jamshed. It's a very good brand. We will tell you about many facts about Wasim Akram later.
Husband, can you kindly pull this? Thank you.
It is in the shape of a cricket cock ball. This looks like a ball, but it is actually a perfume. There are many facts about Wasim Akram written right here. Let's read them. Wasim Akram's full name is Wasim Akram. He was born on 3rd June. His national side is Pakistan cricket team. His nickname is Sultan of Swing. His bowling style is left arm fast medium. His batting style is left bat hand. His batting style is left hand bat. His role is bowling all rounder. One day wickets 502. Test match wickets 414. Let's see how good it smells. It smells great.
Wow, it smells great.
So this is how it looks like. It is very stylish, looks very unique. I've never seen any perfume bottle like this ever. We hope you found the video informative. If you want us to review any other things, let us know. Inshallah, we will be reading through your comments. Jazakallah khair.
Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah.